In the lively town of NutriVille, healthy vegetables ruled. Carlotta carrot, Benny broccoli, and Tessa tomato were the best of friends, hosting colorful picnics filled with delicious salads and fruity smoothies. They danced and laughed, spreading joy and energy with every bite. Across the street, the sneaky fast food gang watched. Greasy Gary, Sugary Sue, and Frying Fred lured kids with bright packaging and mouth-watering smells. They promised instant fun but left everyone feeling heavy and sluggish. One sunny day, the vegetables had an idea. They invited the whole town to a grand feast, showcasing their bright and tasty dishes. As everyone gathered, the colorful salads sparkled in the sunlight. The townsfolk danced, munching on crunchy veggies and refreshing drinks, feeling more energetic than ever. Curious, the fast food gang peeked in. Seeing the joy, they couldn't resist joining the fun. They discovered that mixing in vegetables made their food tastier. Soon, NutriVille became a magical place where everyone enjoyed both healthy treats and fun flavors.